Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Logitech wireless mouse M235 and I will leave the link in the description. By that you can purchase this mouse. So this is the best mouse available in the market right now. The MRP price is 795, but in a deal I got it for only 600 rupees. So I will leave in the link in the description. The compact contra design with soft rubber grips keeps you comfortable even when you are on the go as well. And you will enjoy smooth cursor control, precise tracking, and easy text selection on the surfaces where you use your computer most, because it doesn't come with the red color light sensor. It automatically detects on which surface you are using it. And the tiny Logitech unifying receiver connects up to 6 unifying compatible devices with a powerful, reliable wireless connection up to 25 meters. And you can go a full year without battery hassles. The on and off switch helps conserve power, and smart sleep modes extends battery life, and an indicator light eliminates surprises as well. It is designed to keep either hand happy, soft wrist grips, and a comfortable shape. You will feel good even after long hours of usage as well. And you can go for a year without battery hassles because the battery is very good. And You get the high quality and reliability that have made Logitech the global leader. So hope that guys you like this update. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you.